At present, there is still space enough on Earth for humans, wildlife, and wild places, but can be this maintained? Overpopulation is the one of environmental issues. Our planet Earth is comparatively small, with an equatorial circumference of only 24,902 miles. Its surface area may seem immense at 196,950,000 square miles. But of this, 70% is covered by sea. The actual land surface cover some 57,510,000 square miles, which is 29% of the planet's total surface area. Once again, this seems vast until we take into account largely uninhabited regions such as huge areas of the Arctic and Antarctic. The desert and wetlands, this region are not always totally inhabited, but they can usually support only very small population. Why is overpopulation a problem? Overpopulation of a species is the term used when the numbers of that species start to exceed the resources available to sustain them. This can be caused by an increase in the numbers of babies being born and also by the population living longer lives. Modern medical advances means that people in developed countries are now living much longer lives than in the past. There are around 80 million births each year globally, and together with lower death rates, this means that the human population has been growing by another billion people roughly every 12 years. This increase is dramatically faster than it was even 100 years ago.
Causes of overpopulation: high birth rates, demand on basic resources increase. Migration: people forced to leave areas puts new areas under pressure. Overuse of resources: resources that the population depends on becoming overused, leading to overpopulation. Effects of population. Effects of overpopulation. Overpopulation starts to happen when a place has too many people to handle. The world is overpopulated, which causes a lot of pollution, overuse of resources, and lack of jobs. Overpopulation can cause desirable living condition. Overpopulation is concern of the public. Another effects of overpopulation: socio-economic, soil degradation, cash crops on valuable land, increasing population, farmers more sedentary, refuge not self-reliant, and environmental, change in rainfall patterns, conflict over water. According to world data, population growth in the Philippines from 1960 to 2021, the population of the Philippines increased from 26.27 million to 113.88 million people. This is a growth of 333.5% in 61 years. The highest increase in the Philippines was recorded in 1961 with 3.39%. The smallest increase in 2021 with 1.51%. In the same period, the total population of all countries worldwide increased by 160.2%. The average age in the Philippines rose by 1.36 years from 2012 to 2020, from 22.74 to 24.10 years. Around 48% of inhabitants live in the country's larger city. The growing trends of urbanization is increasing by 2.1% annually.